water. Dilala what it is.
Can stand, anak. Yan yung bago niya.
No.
Why Ken cannot stand? Ken can stand. And then, your Barbie can stand too. Oh, what happened to the dog? They're gonna cry.
Shower.
Nag-shower na siya. Buhok na lang, dry na lang yung buhok. Mahangin daw. So, maligo na kayo. Sabi ng MEA.
Mawawala na sila.
One.
Sige, maligo na ako, mother.
Maligo ka na, oo.
Mamay, mapatayan ko tayo. Ate, don't pay me.
No, she had to take a shower. You're next. Do you want to take a shower first?
No.
Okay.
Baby, you can pay one night, honey.
Let the Barbie stand. Can she stand now so she can be best friend? Oh, about Barbie, can she stand now? They can stand together. Oh, can you let her stand, Jilana? Can you have?
Whoa, look at all that stuff.
Dad food, I want to eat dad food.
Oh, she got dog food.
Yeah. Honey. Hi, honey. Happy Baba night.
Hello, Chai.
Aww. I have two baby dolls.
Who's baby dog?
Yeah, she had a baby dog.
What's your baby? I think I have to dog. Okay? That's food. I have to dog. I don't want to dog.
What happened, anak?
What's the honey? Honey.
Honey? What happened to your honey?
I know honey. We don't. Bye, baby. Bye, mom.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, dog. Okay, then.
Okay, is she going to her friends?
No. Hey, Joey.
Back, your back. Straight your back.
Okay. Timba back.
Straight your back. Oh, walang daw ng ilaw na, so. Oh, there's your Barbie.
Hey, me at the dog. No, I have to shower.
Because no power.
We might get no power.
She was standing.
Ask Julie.
Ay, nag-play na sila eh. Alam mo naman yung mga yan.
Honey.
Oo.
I made this cake. You make the cake. Hey, you pay, honey.
Oh, yeah.
I don't pay.
She's gonna play in no pants.
Too bad.
Oh, that's their bed.
Yeah.
Why Barbie no pants? Cover her legs then. And then she can play in the, oh, she can stand in the boat.
Anybody?
Oh, she fell, yeah.
I take the boat too.
Oh, no, Barbie can stand on the boat.
Whoa. We're our baby. Yeah.
Sa labas,
Jay, did you shower?
Won, tapos na kasi mawawala nga ng kuryente. Si baby na lang. Mahangin na, mother.
What?
Mahangin.
Honey.
Yes, ma'am.